I found this children's race car track at the Dollar Tree. It came in a set of 2. I have these Jenga blocks. I'm going to glue the tracks together and put the Jenga blocks underneath and staple it. Then I'm going to create a circle, use some hot glue, and connect the other end of the racetrack. And here I have now a circle, and I'm going to add 2 more Jenga blocks at the bottom. I'm going to take Wise Owl gray primer and paint the entire track. Once dry, I'm going to take my Wise Owl chalk synthesis paint in the black and paint the entire track, doing 2 coats. I found this little slice of wood at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to take some lamb's ear and take snippets of it and staple it to my wood plaque. Going all the way around. Then I'm going to take my wood plaque and I'm going to glue it to the Jenga blocks on the inside of my hoop here. I'm going to take some jute and wrap it around the top portion of my ring where the 2 tracks met, and tie them off. I found these wooden rings at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to take one and put some jute through it, wrap it around my jute at the top of my ring here, and tie it. So now I have a hanger for my hoop. I'm taking some more flowers that I picked up at the Dollar Tree, and I'm just placing them here and there throughout my lamb's ear using some hot glue. I'm going to fill the center here with a battery operated candle. And now you have this adorable hanging arrangement, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkatofancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfers, or mesh stencils, chalkatofancy.com. Thank you so much.